Imagine this. Your computer is sitting idle, doing nothing while you go about your day. What if I told you that you could turn that downtime into a source of income? With the Hivello app, it's not just a dream, it's a reality. By sharing your machine's unused resources, you can earn money effortlessly. The process is simple. Install the app, and it seamlessly integrates with your system, utilizing the power you're not using. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing, Hivello works in the background, optimizing your computer's potential. And the best part? You don't need to lift a finger once it's set up. Just let it run and watch as those idle hours transform into cash. It's a smart way to make your technology work for you, all while contributing to a larger network. So why let your computer sit there doing nothing? Start earning today with Hivello and turn your idle time into a passive income stream.